Welcome to our counting adventure on the farm. Today, we're going to explore the barnyard and meet some farm animals. Are you ready to practice your counting skills? Let's head to the farm and start counting together. 1 horse. 2 chickens. 3 cows. 4 ducks. 6 alpacas. 7 turkeys. 8 pigs. 9 rabbits. 10 goats. 'Thanks for counting farm animals with us today. We met so many wonderful animals and practiced our numbers together. Great job! Don't forget to come back for more fun and learning. Don't forget to like, comment,